Crisp, vibrant, and packed with nutrients, green beans are more than just a side dish. These nutritional powerhouses are low in calories but high in vitamins C, K, and A, along with folate, fiber, and minerals like manganese and potassium. Their versatility is astounding. From steamed to sautéed, roasted, or even raw, they fit into various cuisines globally. Harvested mainly during the summer, these beans come in many varieties, like bush beans and pole beans. But it's not just their taste that's appealing. Green beans are believed to boost digestion, heart health, and blood sugar control. Their high fiber content promotes digestive regularity, and their antioxidants could reduce inflammation and lower chronic disease risk. Growing them at home? They're pretty straightforward. They thrive in well-drained soil with regular watering and sunlight, promising abundant harvests. In the kitchen, they're a staple in salads, stir-fries, casseroles, and soups, and can even be pickled or preserved. So next time you're at the grocery store, remember, green beans are not just delicious, but incredibly nutritious too.